Sponsored by
कब्ज और उससे संबंधित तकलीफों का समाधान, बैद्यनाथ कब्ज आहार दे, कब्ज में आराम, प्राकृतिक और सुरक्षित।
The massive income tax raids on Jharkhand Congress Rajya Sabha MP Dhiraj Sahu entered its sixth day today, and the officials have so far seized 454 crores and 50 lakhs from the premises linked to Dhiraj Sahu. The IT officials are continuing their raids at Baldev Sahu and Sons Pvt Ltd, a liquor manufacturing and trading company linked to Boudh Distilleries Pvt Ltd, all run by family members and relatives of Dhiraj Sahu. Out of the above-mentioned amount, 448 crores and 50 lakhs have been seized from Odisha alone. Nearly 400 crores have been found in Balangir, 37.5 crores from Sambalpur and 11 crores from Titilagarh. Apart from cash, 60 kgs of gold has also been seized from Balangir premises of the company and the residences of linked people. Meanwhile, 6 crores were found from Jaiswal traders in Jharkhand. This cash haul has been cited as the largest in the last 42 years. Interestingly, amidst all the legal and political drama around the raids at residence of Sahu, a close aide of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, various old social media posts of Sahu are going viral. One of them is the post made in November 2021, where Sahu claimed that the demonetisation had an adverse effect on Bharati economy and also failed to achieve any of its goals. However, it is due to this demonetisation practice only that the central government is able to eradicate large amounts of black money from corrupt people, including Congress Rajya Sabha MP Sahu. It must be noted that though Sahu is from Jharkhand, the large amount of money is being seized from towns in western Odisha like Balangir, Sambalpur, Titilagarh. With a shocking amount of cash being seized in Odisha linked to Dhiraj Sahu, questions are raised if Sahu is linked to Odisha's local Biju Janata Dal party. BJP MP from Sundargarh, Kusum Tete, has been openly saying that Dhiraj Sahu's liquor empire has been spreading across Odisha and has links to BJD leaders. She added that she has raised this concern in the assembly several times, but the BJD party members are not paying heed. Tete stated that BJD's former MLA, Jogesh Singh, has links to Sahu's liquor empire, mentioning that the liquor manufacturing units were earlier registered in the name of Singh's mother. On the face of it, the ongoing raids at Congress Rajya Sabha MP and the IT department finding hundreds of crores of black money from his premises is another blow to the grand old party after its crushing defeat in 3 consecutive states of Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan.